Dear viewer, thank you so much for subscribing to our awesome YouTube channel. Today, I have the privilege... No, but seriously, today we are talking about welcome emails. Welcome emails have an average click-through rate of 14.34%. That's 3 times more than what you would see on your average newsletter. Now, you might be thinking, wait, hang on, over 14%, Jack? You sure that's right? I can confirm that it is. That's right, my friends. Welcome emails are like the special sauce that can sprinkle some serious magic on your marketing strategy. But here's the best part. You don't need a wand or a magic spellbook to master welcome emails. All you need is a sprinkle of creativity, a dash of strategy, and a pinch of you-know-how. And together, with all of these ingredients, we're going to create an irresistible welcome email. But before we start unraveling all of these secrets, let's first take a moment to understand why welcome emails possess all of this power. So, grab your metaphorical wands and let's embark on this captivating journey through the realm of welcome emails. So what exactly is a welcome email, you may ask? A welcome email is the first message that you send to a customer, usually after they sign up for your list or fill out a form on your website or app. Okay, so that's fairly self-explanatory, but Jack, why are welcome emails so important? Now, you guys have got so many questions today. Well, they're your one-way ticket to make a dazzling first impression. You see, we all know that in this digital age, attention spans are shorter than ever. But fear not. Welcome emails are your secret weapon for capturing this fleeting attention span and turning casual subscribers into die-hard fans. And so, there are 4 main reasons why welcome emails matter. 1. The power of the first impression. They say you only have one chance to make a first impression, and well, welcome emails are this chance. They're going to set the tone for the entire relationship with your subscribers. The second reason why they matter so much, they're engagement boosters. Welcome emails have an incredible ability to boost engagement levels. They make subscribers feel special, like they've just received a personal invitation to an exclusive club. Reason number 3, they're relationship builders. Relationships are the heart and soul of any successful venture. They allow you to introduce your brand's personality, values, and purpose, and build the foundations for a long and successful relationship. Reason number 4, deliverability insurance. GetResponse recently found that the average open rate on welcome emails is 63%, and the average click-through rate is 14%. So what this means in practice is that 6 out of 10 of your new subscribers are going to open your welcome email, and 1 out of 7 are going to continue and click through to your site. So this is going to increase both your deliverability and your conversion rates as well. Did it answer the question about why welcome emails are so important? Cool. Now, who's ready to hear about all of the key elements of an effective welcome email? Okay, I'm going to tell you anyway. First up, an engaging subject line. You need a good subject line to convince people to actually open your email. That's just email marketing 101. But crucially, when it comes to the welcome email, a lot of the standard tactics kind of go out the window. You're not looking here to clickbait people in with a special offer or discount. What you need is to be super transparent about what it is they're clicking on. Why? Simply because the customer expects to receive this email. They're looking for something which is going to welcome them into the fold, not receive an offer immediately shoved down their throat or something that's going to confuse them. Second key element, personalization. Make your subscribers feel special by personalizing your welcome email. So what do we mean by personalization? Well, address your recipients by their name and perhaps any other data points that you've managed to gather from them within the sign-up process. Remember, we're trying to make them feel like individuals and not just a faceless recipient. And I'm going to back this point up with some data. Studies show that emails with personalized subject lines are 26% more likely to be opened. 26%. 26%. 26%. Number 3, a warm welcome. Your welcome message should exude friendliness and warmth. This is your opportunity to let your recipient know how much you value their time and their investment in your business. Also, don't forget to introduce yourself. Don't make a lazy assumption that the recipient knows everything about you already. So, why not give them a quick rundown of your brand? Unless you're Nike, and then they're probably going to know who you are, but I'm guessing you're not Nike. But if you are, then welcome, thanks for watching, like the video, subscribe, and maybe check out the pricing page. We'd love to do business with you. Okay. Number 4, a clear call to action. Hear my words. Every good email needs a clear call to action, whether that's to take advantage of a special offer, download an ebook, join your community. Make it easy for them to know what's next. It's like handing them a treasure map with a big X marking the spot. But let's avoid turning your call to action into a scavenger hunt that would have even Indiana Jones scratching his head. We want them to take action, not embark on a quest. So, keep it simple and straightforward. Number 5. Branding and visuals. Infuse your welcome email with your brand personality and visual style. Use colors, imagery, and design elements that give your welcome email its own unique style. It's like dressing up your welcome email in its own stylish outfit that gives it its own unique vibe. Just remember that less can be more when it comes to visuals, so go easy, try not to overdo it. Number 6, an invitation to connect. Encourage your subscribers to connect with you beyond the email. So include links to your social media profiles, your website, any online communities that you might have. Because remember, it's 2023. Even our grandparents are on social media. Oh, Grandma, why have you tagged me in that photo? And finally, number 7, the respectful unsubscribe option. Yeah, we're going to address the elephant in the room. This one right here. Hey. Offer your subscribers an easy way to unsubscribe if they're just not feeling it. It's a mark of respect, but it also ensures that your list remains full of people who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. After all, trying to keep them held hostage in a never-ending email chain is not cool. Let's keep it ethical and respectful, guys. And remember, they can always come back at any time they wish, no strings attached. It's not goodbye forever. So there you have it, 7 awesome tips for you to create smoking hot welcome emails. If you stick to those, you're gonna be cooking. But this is not the end, my friends, no. So let's say that you've created that awesome smoking welcome email. How do we optimize it to the fullest? Well, wonder no more, because we've created a small list of best practices and tips. So let's start with the most important one first, sending that email right after the user signs up. This makes a difference, a big difference in fact. The key is here that you're hitting the subscriber when their interest is absolutely peaked, and it's pivotal. I'm going to share some data with you now which is going to really emphasize this point. According to industry data, 50% of people interact with a welcome email if they receive it immediately after signing up. This drops to 44% if they receive it within a minute, and staggeringly, it falls to 2% if your welcome email takes 2 minutes to arrive. So you see, timing is key when it comes to sending welcome emails. But Jack, I don't have time to be sending every single person an individual welcome email. You don't need to have that time. That's where autoresponders come in. For example, with GetResponse, you can automate this entire process so that then, when somebody signs up to an email list, you don't even need to lift a finger to send them a personalized welcome email. And believe it or not, we have hundreds of professionally designed templates for you to choose from and quickly implement. Pretty cool, right? If you're interested, there's a link in the description waiting for you, or click here. So, we've covered the crucial nature of sending that welcome email ASAP. But now we're going to cover the second important thing, which is to make sure that you optimize this email for mobile. Now, you may have designed your email template on desktop, but remember, we're in a mobile-first world and most people are going to be reading this on their mobile device. So, make sure that your emails look stunning on those tiny screens. Trying to read a poorly optimized email on your phone is like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded with your shoelaces tied together. It's hard. Okay, it might not be that hard, but it's not ideal. So keep your emails mobile friendly. And to the last gem of knowledge that I'm gonna give you lucky people today, be sure to always A/B test your welcome emails. A/B testing is an essential tool within your email marketing arsenal. This is going to allow you to experiment with different aspects of your email, such as subject line, visuals, call to action, and then put your learnings into action and constantly be optimizing for the best performance. By testing different versions of your email, you can be gathering real-time data and discovering what really resonates with your audience. And if you're interested in learning more, well, you know where to look. The description box. And there you have it, my fellow email marketing enthusiasts. So, whether you're a seasoned email marketing guru or you're dipping your toe into the vast email ocean, remember the importance of the first impression. And remember, you're not alone in this quest for email marketing greatness. Be sure to leverage the tools at your disposal, such as GetResponse's autoresponder feature. It's really going to help you streamline and automate these processes. And so we bid farewell for now. Thank you for joining me on this latest email marketing journey. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment on the video if you've got things to say. We'd love to hear your opinions, or if you felt like we might have missed something, and subscribe to the channel. Happy marketing.